Welcome to my living room.
So this is a big box for a 11-inch Parian figurine. So there should be lots of packaging material in here. So let's get down to what hopefully will be bubble wrap. Aha, okay. So first, surprise, box within a box. See that? I'm going to move this one out of the way. And we start again, although it's hard. Cut. So, paper, tissue paper, plain paper, and okay, some bubble wrap. So, bubble wrap here, put this box back within a box. So, let's cut into this bubble wrap as quickly and efficiently as possible. It looks well wrapped, and the outer layer of bubble wrap comes off very quickly. Okay, so this is quite heavy. I have to use two hands. It's just a single layer of paper, and okay, here we have Dorothea. This is Dorothea from Don Quixote. A maiden seated on a rock with a head bent, with the right hand lifting the hem of a skirt, and shoes and a small sack on the base. This is a Parian statue by J&T Bevington. I'm going to hold that up close to see if you can, if the lights will pick up the J&TB. These letters were added by hand or stamped individually after the mould was cast, but before it was fired. So they're all different. This looks like a backward 2 or a backward 4, 1, 1. Say hello to Dorothea, sitting on a rock. Her dress is pulled up. She's barefooted. She has some kind of sack at her feet and a smile on her face. She's holding her dress up with her right hand. In her left hand, she's holding a cap. At the base of her left feet are 2 shoes and possibly some socks. Looking at her.
Why is this a rip-off? I have seen the original before at Sunbury Antiques Market.
Her back. Parian here.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
80 quid, £60 each though.
Okay, thank you.
I think one's had a repair
Okay.
somewhere down the inside of the Lego now.
Yeah,
Yeah. That was a very common pattern. It was first brought out by Minton. The Minton mark was
inside.
on the side. It's quite badly damaged there, as the guy says.
Yeah, it is.
But I think that is Minton. It's got the original mark on it.
Okay.
He was the first one to make them. So this mould this figurine is made of Parian, a highly vitrified ceramic. It's unglazed and it's designed to look like marble. Parian statues, marble-like statues, were often the reduced model of a life-size marble figure. In this case, the statue had been made by British sculptor John Bell from Great Yarmouth, made for Lord Lansdowne in 1838. The issue and why it can be called some kind of rip-off is that in about 1847, the first sculpture of this kind was made by Minton of Stoke-on-Trent in about 1847. It was exhibited at the Great Exhibition in Hyde Park in 1851. It was made for the Art Union of London, designed this model, and Minton, I guess, manufactured it under license. This model made by Minton's initially was a bestseller, so it would cost about 2 guineas to buy, which is about twice the average wage for a worker in the Victorian period, and it sold well for about 40 years. 20 years after it was created by Minton in 1847, the young Bevington brothers thought, I'll have a slice of this action, and added this particular mould to their 200 to 300 other moulds that they made in their lifetime. IP protection was virtually non-existent after the first 3 years if a design had been registered with the Board of Trade in the first instance. So this could have been registered at one stage in 1847, but unless you kept renewing your license, it was out of license very quickly, and other potters could, if they chose, copy it. If you enjoyed this clip, found it interesting, please click the like button and do subscribe to the Potteries Author channel for more videos on the ceramic heritage of Stoke-on-Trent. Thanks for watching.